What's the deal, y'all? It's your boy Motor City NIQUE, man. I'm checking back with another video, man. Just leaving AutoZone. You can see in the background, man. I'm about to get to my Imp, dog. I'm about to go ahead and change the rear shocks on my Imp. Ain't too much different from me changing out the springs. The video gonna be kind of the same, but I was able to go ahead and grab me some rear shocks, man. I'm gonna go ahead and just replace that. So that's one less thing I gotta do as far as my my whip. I know I'm putting sounds and stuff in there, so once I put them sounds in the trunk, it's gonna weigh it down. And I just want to go ahead and make sure everything is nice and fresh and even up under there. So I'm just not leaving AutoZone, and I'm about to go ahead and shoot back to the crib, man, and hurry up and jump up under this car. And shoot, you know how it is, shit, get busy and get to work, man, and get to doing what I gotta do. But shoot, I'm gonna check in with y'all in a minute. All right, y'all, boy up under the Imp, so y'all can see I ain't bullshit. But yeah, I'm about to go ahead and crack that nut right there. Once I crack that nut, then I'll be able to drop that shock down, and then I gotta go all the way up there to the top. And if you can see the shock in the background, it's 2 bolts up there, so I gotta crack them 2 bolts. But I'm about to go ahead and get this cracked, wind blowing, trying to get to it so I can get that shock changed, because that shock look kind of weak, look busted. So I'm gonna go ahead and change both of them and get them out of there. All right, Motor City crew, man, your boy was still at it, man. I've been at this shit for about an hour or so, man. I ran into a hiccup, man, and had to do some improvising because shit, the frame part is in the way of the screw on the top part of the shock. So, man, that shit was a bitch. But shout out to my dog Mello again, man. He was able to let me give me an improvising way to get to that bitch, man, and do some MacGyver shit to get it out. But I got the top one out. But yeah, I got it out. And the crazy part about it, man, on that back side towards the frame, man, I had to do this just to stop the nut from spinning and shit. So I don't know if y'all able to see, but man, it's gonna be tough to kind of see. But shit, way towards the back, I ain't gonna be able to show y'all exactly what I'm talking about. But where the shocks sit, man, a part of the frame of the bracket is in the way. It's like damn near impossible to keep the nut from spinning on the top side. But I was able to get that mug out and shit. But man, it's been a headache, but your boy did it, man. So shout out to my dog once again. It's windy, but let me get this shock in here, man, and I'm gonna let y'all see what it look like. Hopefully once I get it in, it should be nice and level. But whew, the headache. All right, y'all, your boy buttoned down the shock. Man, see that shit up there? Man, that shit was a bitch. Pure headache. I mean, it's hard to see, but man, when I say, there we go. Them bolts, man, that shit hard as fuck, dog. I ain't gonna lie to you. Shit, especially on the other side. Man, changing these shocks ain't the easiest thing to do. It's an easy process. Getting to it, man, and doing it. Man, that bolt back there, you see I still got the socket on it. That one back there, man, that bitch is a motherfucker, but it's in there, so. Alright, y'all, your boy done finished up. Got that mug in there. Nice, good, solid lift. Oh, yeah. Say good. So nice and good. Good, even on both sides. Yeah. It's windy and chilly. That's what it looked like. Oh, yeah. All right, y'all, this your boy MOTORCITY NIQUE, man. I just finished up. Your boy tired, man. It's been a hell of a grind, man. Shit, doing rear shocks ain't no joke, man. I had to cut it short because I had to get these shocks in, man. I had to struggle with one side like a mug, but your boy got it all done in the end, man. I cheated y'all on the other side, but you know what I'm saying? It is what it is, man. I had to keep it a buck, you know what I'm saying? I just only showed that side, but like I said, man, it was a long day. It's dark, you know what I'm saying? Shit, you can see it's getting dark out there, so your boy done finished up. But man, I appreciate y'all for checking this video out. So definitely hit that. Make sure y'all hit that like, comment, subscribe, man. Join that MOTORCITY crew, man. So shit, once again, it's your boy MOTORCITY NIQUE, man. I'm checking out with another video. I'll holla at y'all. Peace.